If your GoPro Hero 4 doesn't turn on or work after water exposure, here's how you might be able to repair it. First, make sure the camera is off, and then remove the battery and SD card to prevent further damage. Dry the exterior with a soft cloth. Carefully remove the screws and disassemble the camera, being gentle with the delicate internal parts. Clean the internal components with 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol to remove any moisture or contaminants. Use compressed air to clear out any remaining moisture. After everything is thoroughly dried, reassemble the camera. Keep in mind that the front screen may be permanently damaged and will likely need replacement, but the focus here is getting the camera back to working condition. Once reassembled, insert the battery and SD card, then try powering it on. Test all functions to ensure the camera is operational. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more amazing content.